This is the content and welcome you to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, you're most welcome. And if it's your first time you're visiting, you're also most welcome. To those of you who are visiting for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. If you are just returning but you've never subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now let's get into the main business of me making this video. I was actually mining goats, and then I followed the normal procedure for one to claim the tokens, and then I kept on checking, but I couldn't see the tokens. Even today, after I visited the goats main channel, this one here, I read through the texts, but when I went back to Bitget, I couldn't see the tokens. And I was wondering, where had the tokens gone? So I want to open your eyes so that you do what I'm going to show you to do, so as to begin to see the tokens in your exchange. So let's quickly read through the text which is here. They're saying God's distribution completed. The wait is over. The God's distribution has officially been completed, and all God's tokens have been successfully distributed to your accounts on major CEXs. Check your accounts now. So 1 hour to go. Countdown just 1 hour. I think this was somewhere at 9. This is when this message came through. Okay, so now I will take you to Bitget so that I show you where you have to go so as to claim your tokens or to confirm the drop of goats into your wallet. So let me take you now to Bitget. Okay, so here we are. I'm in. So once you happen to log in, this is what you're gonna see. I don't know which exchange you had used. I don't know which wallet you had used. So for Bitget, you have to click in the top right on that bell icon there. And then after clicking there, swipe up. You'll see all these notifications until you get to where it reads confirm your God's deposit. So I'm going to click right here. Okay. And then I can now see my guts.